of cutting ties with your real estate agency? You're not alone. Today, brought to you by Upperkey, your trusted property management company, we're diving into how to smoothly cancel your exclusive agency agreement without falling into common pitfalls. Stay tuned to make this transition as seamless as possible. An exclusive agency agreement binds you to one real estate agency, giving them the sole right to market and possibly sell or rent your property. Such agreements typically last from 6 months to a year and may include clauses on termination fees and conditions. Before taking any steps to cancel, it's crucial to understand what you're dealing with. Poor performance. If your property isn't getting enough visits or the visits aren't leading to serious offers, it might be time to reconsider your options. Lack of communication. A good agency should keep you updated regularly. Lack of communication can be a significant red flag. Non-compliance with terms. If the agency has not adhered to the agreed terms, you have a valid reason to terminate the contract. Review your contract. Look over your agreement to understand the termination clauses. Identify any notice period and specific conditions for cancellation. Written notice. Send a formal notice of cancellation via registered mail or courier, ensuring you have proof of delivery. Termination fee. Be prepared to handle any termination fees, which can range from 1% to 3% of the total contract value. Terminating an exclusive agency agreement isn't straightforward and can come with financial implications. Ensure you're making an informed decision and, when in doubt, consult a legal expert to guide you through the process. Remember, Upperkey is here to support you with trusted property management solutions, whether you're selling or switching to renting out your property. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on managing your property investments wisely.